If you're hearing goodbye Node, Dino, or a rest in peace Node, Dino, you must be wondering why. Well, that's because of this guy and his tweet on 6th of July 2022. So Jared and over 40 contributors have created a new open source runtime environment for JavaScript called Bun. But what does JavaScript runtime mean? Well, it's an environment where you can run JavaScript code. So you can run JavaScript code in the browser. You can also run JavaScript code on the terminal with the help of Node.js. Okay, so back to Bun. Why everyone is talking about Bun? Because it's fast. It's super fast, I believe. So it can do server-side render React almost 49k HTTP requests per second, which is almost triple in comparison to Node.js. It can load huge table data, 60 average queries per second. That is 2.5 times better than Node.js. It can perform 13 million operations per second, double in comparison to Node.js. Check out some of the tweets, mentioning the same from Jared. So why Bun is fast? Bun uses JavaScript core engine used by Safari, Mail, App Store, and many other apps in Mac OS, which is faster than more traditional choices like V8, which is another JavaScript runtime created by Google. Bun is written in Zig, a low-level programming language like C and C++. So low-level programming languages are fast. Bun has many other features which might interest you, like web APIs, fetch, WebSocket, and readable stream are built in. You can use NPM packages in Bun. ESM and CommonJS packages are also supported. TypeScript and JSX works out of the box, so you can use it with React. Bun ships with a fast SQLite 3 client built into it, and many Node.js native modules just work out of the box. So this project is really grabbing some attraction if you look at these stars on the GitHub. Only time will tell if it's gonna really take over Node or Dino completely.